exercise because we need to run every day. Oh, that reminds me, we've got to do our ABCs. What letter were we up to? Can you remember? What? Yeah, it was that. It's R. R. Good job. Hey, so R's look a little bit like a letter P. So if we do the P like this, but then we just put our leg out like this, and then R, look up, around, and down. R. Can everyone say R with me? R. Yeah, good job. Oh yeah. Whew. I'm all out of breath because of the running I was doing. Whoa! R is run. Run is R. Run. Can you say run? Run. Yeah, good job. I like running. Now, if we go R, 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 we need to go run, 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 run. Here we go. Run, run, run. Like a dog. Wah, wah, wah. But not like a dog because it's run, not ah. Sounds the same. Run, 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 run. Now, go run, run. Do I run slowly or do I like to run fast? I like to run fast. I like to run really fast. Run, really. Oh, that's another word which begins with R. So we've got R, R, R. Run, run, run. Run, run, run really fast. Good. Can you do it with me this time? Yeah, okay, let's go. Nice and slow. Not fast, slowly. Not fast, slow. Ah, ah, ah. Run, run, run. Run, run, run really fast. Awesome. Okay, let's do it one more time, but we're going to do it together. Are you ready? Awesome. 3, 2, 1. Ah, ah, ah. Run, run, run. Run, run, run really fast. Run. I was so fast, fast. Good job, guys. I'm gonna run away, but I'll see you next time on Gazzi's ABCs. Bye.